NFT fam? There is free money raining from the sky. Shout out to Steezy for helping me and the other guys in the space. This is the link that you want to go to, and it's also over here, Optimism PBC. This is their Twitter page. This is the link. I went with Steezy's. It has a check at the end of it. So this is what it looks like. You connect to your MetaMask and, oh, oops, hold on. I have to get back to my Ethereum mainnet. So MetaMask connect, and you're going to see confetti. It tells you how much you can qualify for. I think this is the max, and I think the criteria is maybe based on whether you used a bridge before. I'm not really sure, but it just kind of came up for me. And so then you press start claim process. You're going to, so first check eligibility, then you're going to learn about it. You could basically pick any of these until it's green, then you press next step. Then you go to read the Constitution. I just agreed blindly, and then you're going to press choose a delegate. I picked DAOs, view the delegate, and I picked a girl, select as a delegate. A delegate is someone who makes governance decisions on your behalf. You still retain full ownership of your tokens, but your delegate will wield the voting power. So I press continue and then claim airdrop. So now you're going to switch over to the Optimism network, kind of like how we toggle back and forth between Ethereum and and Polygon. So it's just going to be another layer called Optimism. It's like another level 2 highway is kind of how I imagine it. So then you're not going to have any money here, right? You need at least 0.01 Ethereum, 0.01, which is going to end up being 0.0098, like for me. Then you're going to press claim, you're going to claim, you're going to press delegate, and then you're going to claim your tokens. But at some point, I think you have to go here as well first. So what I did was 0.01 Ethereum. From mainnet. So you understand how on Polygon we function with Matic as the gas. So you need a little bit of Ethereum on the Optimism network. So I deposited 0.01 Ethereum to Optimism, and then it shows up here. So that once you claim your, oh, where did it go? What I was just showing you, right? Like the governance, or is it claim? Where the hell did it go? Airdrops. So once you did the whole claiming process and you press claim, select as delegate, okay, continue. Once you claim this 409 and you have deposited 0.01, now you're going to go to Google. You're going to go to Uniswap, which is another bridge, uniswap.org. You're going to launch this, and you are going to swap once you connect your wallets, I believe this is what I did because I'm backtracking. I believe the Optimism token, once you press, OP. So you're going to switch your 409 Optimism, you're going to switch it to Ethereum, and there should be a max button somewhere, for example, let's just say ETH. This is how much ETH I have. There should be a max button that comes up that kind of puts this number, your balance, into here. Obviously, this is really, really tiny, so it's not working. But you're going to go OP to Ethereum. You're going to swap it. Then you're going to have, this is going to go away, and you're going to have, like me, for example, you're going to have 0.3785 Ethereum, but it's going to be on the Optimism network, okay? So then you have to go back here to the bridge, and you want to press withdraw. If you use the official bridge, it's going to take 7 days and it's going to cost you $150. So I, with the recommendation of Stevie and the boys, use a third-party bridge. I first tried to use Hop protocol, but it just stalled. So then I used Synapse protocol, and so I put in, see it says from Optimism, the Ethereum will be 0.37 whatever to da-da-da. And you can't do the whole amount, right? So instead of 0.378, I did 0.368. I took 0.01 off of it, or whatever it was, like a tiny, shave a tiny amount so that you could pay the networking fee. And what this is going to do is it's going to take your Ethereum from the Optimism network and it's going to send it to the mainnet. And this took a few minutes, in which I was panicking a little bit of like, oh, I lost $20. But at the end of it, boom, $700, which I could then send back to my exchange and take it out, right? Or buy NFTs or whatever. It's basically free money. Now, at the end, so that's how you get your airdrop from Optimism into your Ethereum main wallet, okay? So now what do you want to do? You want to disconnect from everything that you were just on. Synapse, da 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 da. So I'm going to leave this here for a second. So something that No Futuristic taught me is to go to etherscan.io whenever you interact with a new contract, and you go to token approvals, you connect your MetaMask, which I think I am connected. These are all the tokens and contracts that I am connected to that I can revoke at any time that I want, to not give anybody, like, I think this has continuous access to my wallet, but if I want to revoke it and these are things that I'm using all the time, like WETH, BGLD coin, I don't really need anymore. That was in the beginning. USD coin, SOS, I don't need anymore. I can revoke this. So if I want to revoke, I just press revoke. Like SOS tokens, that was an airdrop as well. And it's going to cost a little bit of Ethereum, right? So if you want to revoke it, you do that. This is ApeCoin. This is Looks Rare. And this is Snack, because I have a pudgy penguin. I have a pudgy ape. I'm sorry, a pudgy ape something. So I'm getting Snack token, apparently. So those are all the so you always want to kind of make sure and double check, like, oh, what am I connected to? What has access to my account? So I look at ERC20. I don't even know what's in here. Okay, these are I think things that I have purchased, and I don't even know what this is. Crypto Corgis Breeder. I don't know what this is, but it's kind of scary, so I'm going to look away. But this is something that I check. So after that, your money will show up. You're going to be in the clear here, so I can disconnect from Etherscan. And that's pretty much it. That is how you get your airdrop of Optimism, and I hope that this helps, and I'll see you guys next time. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and bye, guys. I hope it helps.